Hey everyone, quick question for you. What if I told you that you could build a fully functional, professional website in under 60 seconds just by typing a sentence? No coding, no design skills, no expensive developers. Sounds a little crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what SiteBuddy AI claims to do. Let's be honest for a second. Building websites the traditional way can be a headache. You've got hosting to set up, themes to install, plugins that randomly break your site, updates that mess everything up, and don't even get me started on hiring freelancers. You could spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars just to get one decent website live. And if you're using platforms like WordPress or Wix, you're usually paying monthly fees on top of that. Now, imagine this instead. You wake up with a business idea. Maybe it's a fitness coaching brand. Maybe it's an e-commerce store. Maybe it's a simple landing page to collect leads. You open SiteBuddy AI, you type, "Create a fitness coaching website," and within seconds, homepage structure, done. Professional copy, written. Mobile responsive design, applied. SEO-friendly structure, built in. No dragging and dropping, no code. Just results. That's the promise behind SiteBuddy AI, an AI-powered platform that turns your idea, or even your voice command, into a fully designed and functional website in about 60 seconds. It supports multiple niches, multiple languages, custom domains, built-in hosting, and even free SSL security. And here's what makes it interesting. They're marketing this as a one-time payment, no recurring monthly subscription. Now, let's talk about why this matters. In today's digital world, your website is your identity. Whether you're selling products, offering services, building a personal brand, or starting an agency, your website works for you 24/7. But here's the catch. Speed wins. The faster you launch, the faster you test. The faster you test, the faster you grow. And tools like SiteBuddy AI are designed exactly for that, speed and simplicity. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. They're not just positioning this as a website builder. They're positioning it as a business opportunity. You can use it to build websites for clients, sell landing pages, start a small agency. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are full of people paying hundreds of dollars for simple websites. So if you can create sites quickly, you potentially create an income stream. Of course, results depend on your effort, but the opportunity is there. What I personally like about the concept is this. It removes the technical barrier. You don't need to understand hosting servers. You don't need to install plugins. You don't need to hire a designer. You just need an idea. And in a world where AI is rapidly changing how we work, tools like SiteBuddy AI are part of that shift. Now, is it magic? No. Is it going to automatically rank you #1 on Google overnight? Probably not. Real growth still requires strategy, traffic, and consistency. But as a fast launch tool, as a way to get ideas online quickly, it's definitely interesting. If you've ever felt stuck because building a website seemed too complicated, or too expensive, or too technical, this might be something worth looking into. At the very least, it shows where the future of website creation is heading: AI-powered, automated, and accessible to everyone. If you want to check out SiteBuddy AI for yourself, I'll leave the link below in the description. And as always, do your own research, see if it fits your goals, and make the best decision for your situation. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments, would you trust AI to build your website? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.